Today I show you fault on Panasonic F61. So you put volume up, it will turn off and you get fault F61 as you seen. Two possible causes. First is wiring, so there is some shortcut on wiring, or there is dirty fan. So fan is dirty, as you can see, and there is some shortcut on wiring, which is connected on like this. And I'm going to check this connection. Plus I'm going to check all wires if there is any more shortcuts. And I'm going to open fan and clean it. I'm going to try first to clean the fan. I'm going to use method 1. So I'm going to use just a vacuum cleaner and do it with a vacuum cleaner. Or there is method 2 and we have to unbolt all these bolts from the sides, take fan off and clean it manually. So I'm going to use fan first and check the wiring after. It looks a lot cleaner. It's not perfect, but it's a lot cleaner and it should help. If not, I will open everything and clean it. So now I'm going to check the wiring. First you have to unplug it from electricity, so you don't get electric shock or something. Take note, I'm not an electrician. I just like home cinemas, so I'm not professional. These wires were connected with this plug, so I'm taking it apart and I will connect it together using tape. It's a plastic tape, and I'm going to check these wires, put it together with plastic tape too. So now I'm connecting white wire with white wire and going to same with the blue one. So I will connect blue with the blue. Now I'm going to put a piece of tape on the joint, on one joint and on the second joint and on this. I discovered one more wire which is not joint proper, so I do it proper and we see if it works. Now I'm going to check if it works. I show you volume will be on full. If it's on full, it should work. Yes, it's working perfectly fine. Because before, every time you put volume up, it was turning off, it was showing fault F61. Guys, as I told you, I'm not professional, so if you're doing something, you're doing on your own risk. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.